Hello everyone. What is cryptocurrency? Has what you should know. Cryptocurrency lets you buy goods and service or trade them for profit. Here's more about what cryptocurrency is, how to buy it, and how to protect yourself. Okay, let's now. What's inside? What is cryptocurrency? How many cryptocurrencies are there? What are their worth? Best cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Uh, okay. Number first, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and service. Many companies have issued their own currencies. Okay, often called tokens, and these can be traded, especially for the good or service that the company provides. Think of them as you would acquire tokens or casino chips. You you need to exchange real currency for the cryptocurrency to access the good or service. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manage and record transaction. Part of the appeal of this technology is it security. Okay, number second, how many cryptocurrencies are there? What are they worth? Okay, more than 700 different cryptocurrencies are traded publicly according to coinmarketcap.com. Okay, a market research website and cryptocurrency continue to profile rising money through Intel coin offering or ICOS. The total value of all cryptocurrencies on Feb 18, 2021, okay, was more than $1.6 trillion according to coin market cap, and the total value of all bitcoins, the most popular digital currency, was patched at about 1969.6 billion. You can check the current price to buy Bitcoin here. Best cryptocurrencies by market capacity. Okay, there are 10 largest trading cryptocurrencies by market capitalization as tracked by Coin Market Cap, a cryptocurrency data and analytics provider. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance, Cardano, or and Polkadot are XRP, Litecoin, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash. Okay. Largest rate is Bitcoin 1969 billion. Second Ethereum 20.3 billion. Tether 3 1331 billion. 30 billion Binance. Okay, 28 billion Cardano. 28 Polkadot, RXP, XRP 24, Litecoin 15, Chainlink 13, Bitcoin Cash 13. Okay. Number 3, why are cryptocurrencies so popular? Cryptocurrencies appeal to their supporters for a variety of reasons. Here are some of the most popular. Number 1, supporters see cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as the currency of the future and are racing to buy them now. Before they become more valuable, some supporters like that fact the cryptocurrency remove central banks from managing the money supply since over time. These banks tend to reduce the value of money via inflation. Number three, other supporters like the technology behind cryptocurrencies, the blockchain. Because it's a decentralized processing and recording system, and can be more secure than traditional payment system. Some uh, some, spe- some special like cryptocurrencies because they are going up in value and have no interest in the currencies long term expectance as a way to move more. Number four, are cryptocurrencies a good investment? Yes, cryptocurrency may go up in value, but many investors see them as mere specialists, not real investments. The reason, just like real currencies, cryptocurrencies generate no cash flow. So, for you to profit, someone has to pay more for the currency than you did. Yeah, and you can get that's what's called the greater fool theory of investment. Construct, contrast that to a well managed business which increases its value or over time by growing the profitability and cash flow of the operation. For those who see cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as the currency of the future, it should be noted that a currency needs stability. Number five, how do I buy cryptocurrency? While some cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin are available for purchase with US dollars, other requires that you pay with Bitcoins or another cryptocurrencies. To buy cryptocurrency, you'll need a wallet and online app that can hold your current currency. Generally, you create an account on an exchange and then you can transfer real money to buy cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Ethereum has warned how to invest Bitcoin. Uh, and number six, are cryptocurrencies legal? There's no question that they are legal in the United States, though China has essentially banned their use, and unlimitedly whether they are legal depends on each individual country. Also, be sure to consider how to protect yourself from fraudsters who see cryptocurrency as an opportunity to big investor. As always, buyer and beware. uh,